Adam Smith said that the pursuit of self-interest is the single largest motivator of economic activity, and these words still ring true today. In fact, they apply not only to individuals, but also organizations. But what happens when they become part of something bigger, such as an ecosystem? How do they navigate their self-interest with the interest of the ecosystem as a whole? These are some of the questions underlying my research, which focuses on the governance of entrepreneurial ecosystems. An entrepreneurial ecosystem is a complex network connecting a wide range of individual and organizational actors who either directly or indirectly contribute to the creation and growth of businesses in a particular area. Specifically, these actors include entrepreneurs and their businesses, investors, entrepreneurship support organizations, mentors and advisors, corporate businesses, universities, and the government. Now, what is particularly interesting about them is that on the one hand, these diverse actors are independent and they each have their own agenda. But on the other, being part of the ecosystem also makes them interconnected and therefore somewhat interdependent upon each other. Now, it is in the common interest of these actors for the ecosystem to effectively nurture entrepreneurship. But to accomplish this, these actors need to work together. However, this begs the question, how do they balance their individual agenda and the interest of the ecosystem? Do they act collaboratively or egoistically? Or, in other words, are they collaborative ecosystems or rather self-interested ecosystems? And this is where my research comes in. It built on practitioners' accounts of ecosystem actors leading, managing, and shaping their ecosystems from within. And whilst these accounts provide valuable insights, they are anecdotal and they lack academic rigor, which is why my study is a crucial step towards addressing this major gap in ecosystem theory. Specifically, my research is designed as a case study of the Edinburgh entrepreneurial ecosystem. I predominantly use semi-structured interviews with key ecosystem players who represent these actors and who have important insights into the governance actors, structures, and processes that occur in ecosystems. Once finished, my study is going to make an important contribution to the currently underdeveloped ecosystem theory. It will also be an important stepping stone for both practitioners and policymakers because it will help them devise ecosystem development strategies and entrepreneurship support policies. Overall, once we obtain a better understanding of how ecosystems are governed and shaped from within by these actors, we will be able to foster entrepreneurship more effectively and accelerate our economic growth in the process.